Hey everyone, today we're going to get you set up with a tool that will totally change how you manage your code. We're going to walk through the super simple, stress-free installation of GitHub Desktop. By the end of this, you won't just have it installed, you'll get why it's such a game changer.
So, have you ever just stared at a black terminal window, feeling kind of intimidated by all those complicated Git commands you're supposed to know? Yeah, if that's you, you're definitely not alone. The command line is really powerful for sure, but it can be a huge hurdle when you're just starting out. But what if there was a better, more visual way to handle your projects?
Okay, let's dive right into the solution. The answer to that command line headache is GitHub Desktop. It's built from the ground up to take the complexity out of version control, the whole process of tracking and managing changes to your code. It makes everything intuitive, safe, and honestly, kind of enjoyable. So what is this thing exactly? Well, think of GitHub Desktop as a visual co-pilot for your code. It's a graphical app that lives on your computer and basically translates all the powerful stuff Git and GitHub can do into a simple point-and-click experience. No confusing commands to memorize, just clear, straightforward actions.
The advantages here are just huge. I mean, having a visual interface means you can actually see the changes you've made, line by line, before you save them. This really helps prevent mistakes and gives you a ton of confidence. And since you can forget about trying to remember commands like git add or git commit, you can focus all your brainpower on what really matters, building awesome stuff. This isn't just about avoiding the command line, it's about creating a safety net for your projects.
All right, enough talk. It's time to get this amazing tool onto your machine. Let's walk through the very first part of the process, finding the official installer. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. Okay, so first things first. Just open your web browser. We're using Google Chrome here, but anything works. Type GitHub Desktop right into the search bar. The official link from GitHub should be the very first result you see. Go ahead and give that one a click. Once you're on the official GitHub Desktop page, you're going to see a big, prominent button for the download. They make it really easy to find, so you can't miss it.
We've found it, and now we're on the home stretch. The installation is pretty much automated, so you are literally just a few clicks away from having it all done.
So go ahead and click that download button. It'll probably say something like download for Windows or whatever operating system you're on. The file will download, which might take a few moments depending on your internet. Once it's done, find that setup file in your downloads folder. Open it up and just let the installer work its magic. It's a completely hands-off process from here.
And just like that, it's done. The loading bars will disappear, the application will open, and that's it. You are now officially equipped with one of the best tools out there for managing your code. You're all set to go. And there you have it. Installation complete. GitHub Desktop is now officially a part of your developer toolkit, ready and waiting for you to start your first repository. Feels good, right?
To put it as plainly as possible, and that's it. GitHub Desktop is now installed on your computer. It really is that simple. Direct and done. So we've installed the tool, and you're ready for action. That barrier to entry? It's gone. The only question left is the most exciting one. With this awesome application right at your fingertips, what brilliant idea, what amazing project are you going to create first?